Magandang araw po ulit and welcome to another video, and we will be unboxing again another UPS which comes from TechServe. So wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa, simulan na natin yung pag-unbox. So ito po yung ating item na kararating lang din, no? So as you can see, naka-bubble wrap pa siya. So ano lang muna natin. Ayan. So by the way, we have a new UPS kasi yung isang UPS natin is hindi na kumakarga yung yung baterya. Alright, so tanggalin lang natin siya dun sa kanyang bubble wrap. And this is now how it looks like. So before we start na ilabas yung mismong item, so silipin muna ulit natin ano-ano yung packaging or labels outside of the box. So as you can see from here, yung kanyang top part, we have here yung TechServe na series nung UPS and then yung kanyang model, right? So here on the front part, may kita natin yung parang itsura ng ating UPS. Uy, tanggal na yung ano nyo rito. Okay, and then same yung brand and model ng kanyang UPS. Sa gilid is yung kanyang specifications. Ayan, kung makita natin, we have here yung model, yung capacity, which is 600 watts, yung voltage, yung output, expected output, and then meron na rin siya rito, no? Meron siyang overload protection. It's also function as a breaker, etc. And battery, sealed maintenance, etc., etc. So typical recharge time up to 8 hours. And then for the dimension and operating environment ng device na ito. So what else dun sa kanyang back part is similar nung front kanina. So we have here yung parang itsura nung UPS, and then some specifications from here. Alright, and then the other side of the box, makita natin yung likod naman ng UPS, no? So this is designed for, it can cater a PC, a monitor, your modem, your POS, at pambahay, syempre, no? At ang itsura niya, so meron siyang USB input dito. So I think meron din tong software, no, na pwede mong gamitin to monitor yung operational nung device itself, no? So meron siyang USB slot here, and then yung kanyang output sa likod is hindi lahat ng line is capable or kinikater ng UPS. So meron dito yung left side only has the surge protection, and then yung right side yun nga, yung may surge protection at the same time yung operated by the battery, no? Ito yung parang side ng kanyang UPS na function. So yan, and then sa bottom part, meron pa ba? Wala na. Black na lang din. So now let's try or let's begin to release yung item sa loob. So tingnan natin ano yung itsura ng kanyang loob. So when you open the box, makita natin dito yung kanyang power cable. Nakasabit. So sige, ilabas muna natin yung mismong item. Okay, bumaliktad na agad siya. So we have here yung user's manual there. Okay, and yung kanyang USB na data cable. So we have here yung USB na type A, and then yung USB na type B ata tong port na to. So similar to dun sa mga printer cables. Yan yung makita nyo. And we have mukhang nakaano siya. Tama ba? Okay. So, after we remove yung dalawang styro, naka-plastic pa po siya. So, ito we have here the 3-prong cable para dun sa ating UPS. So, may design na rin siya agad for grounding. And, ayun nga, nakaano yung so, naka-fix yung kanyang wire dito, no, sa loob. So, simulan na natin sa likod. Total yan yung nakikita sa ating camera. So, we have here yung kanyang breaker. So, if in case may issues, you can just press this one to reset or to restore yung kanyang circuit sa loob, no. So, similar nung nasa box, we have here tatlong outlet which has a surge protector capability, and then yung nasa right side is yung surge protection with the battery. And then we have here yung USB na slot. And then from the sides, we have some ventilation holes here, similar with the other one. Alright? And yung front niya, Ayan, makikita natin. So, meron siyang LCD display panel here. Okay? And then, yung kanyang power button. So, tingnan natin, nabuksan na natin. Yung isa, ayan, meron, kung nakikita nyo, wala atang karga. Need nating i-charge. So, one more time. Yun. Or long press. Baka naman long press. Yon. Long press. Ayaw din. Sige, so mukhang need natin siyang i-charge. Pero may mga rito, balik natin siguro yung box. And so from this box, may kita natin, meron siyang mga indicators dito. No? So parang meron tayo kung ano yung input na nakuha dun sa ating wall socket. And then yung output, which is yung dinideliver na voltage nitong UPS na to. So isa sa mga magandang niya, highlights, so meron siyang mga indicators here. I'm not sure of that one, pero tignan na lang natin doon sa manual later. And then yung level ng battery. And maganda is monitor mo yung usage, no? Or kung ilang load yung capacity na kinikater nung ating UPS. So we also have an indicator from that side. So that's it for our unboxing. So if in case may mga questions kayo or katanungan about UPS, para saan ba yan, paano pumili. So meron akong video na ginawa before, so isi-share ko na lang din yung link at makita nyo yan dito sa part na ito. No? So just click that link and watch that video for the guidelines. So once again, thank you for tuning in and God bless.